ask him. Hit the truck with a beer bottle. Hey, what's going on out here?
Bunch of jerks.
I'm hit.
Andrew, where you at?
Behind the wheel, back on the bed.
I'm coming up, coming
On
up.
the right leg, man.
He's down. Shit, you're hit bad. Cover me while I tourniquet you.
Gotcha. I think there's more of them, man.
Let's get you up. All right, let's go save Maddie. You cover left, I'll cover right.
Gotcha.
Check your six on your left.
That one's down.
Right, right.
Contact left.
Contact right. Shoot on the left. Contact right. There's Maddie. You good?
Yeah, get her, man.
Hey man, calm down. We don't have to do this. Calm down. What do you want? I got plenty of money. I'll take you upstairs. Cover me. I'm gonna get Maddie.
Yeah, bud.
Here, sweetheart. All right, let's make it back to the truck. Mag change, go ahead. I got you.
Good.
Come on, sweetheart. Just grab my belt. Stay right behind us. You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Maddie, you good? Okay. As soon as we get to the truck, we're going to get in and go straight to the hospital, okay, sweetheart? We're going to get Andrew some help. Okay, brother, let's put you in the passenger side. Clear? Okay, hop in, Maddie. You're gonna sit in the middle.